Hi and welcome to this section. In this section, we're going to look at Git. Git is a method of version control. Now, version control is a way of storing snapshots of your code every time that you make a significant change. And what that means is that if your significant change includes errors, you can roll back. And also it means that multiple people can make changes simultaneously and then they can easily be merged and things like that. So Git is really useful for software developers, for collaboration, and for error control. Rest assured, Git is used in essentially every technology company in the world, along with a couple of other version control systems like Mercurial and SVN. Git is arguably the most popular though. In this section, we're going to quickly look at how Git works. It's not going to be a really in-depth tutorial on Git, but it is going to allow you to put your REST APIs out there in GitHub for the world to see, and it's also going to allow you to deploy REST APIs. Normally, many services require that your REST API is in some sort of remote repository. What I mean with that is your REST API has to be hosted and stored somewhere on the internet so that it can be deployed and served to users. So in this section, we're going to look how to do that, and then we'll move on with the course. Hopefully you enjoy this section. I'll see you in the next video.